Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I have an unboxing of the Tonic Studios craft kit. This is number 64. It's called Terrific Telephone Box, and I'll be honest, I don't know I don't know how and when I'll use this box, but I kept it instead of skipping it because I am a big Doctor Who fan, and so I'm just really looking forward to making a Doctor Who telephone box. So that's really the only reason why I kept this. So let's dive in and see what all is included. Okay, so let's first look at the papers because I think that gives a good idea for the colorway. And if you're not familiar with the Tonic kits, the reason why I subscribe and why I love them so much is because you do get a little bit of everything, and of course this is all Tonic products, so very, very high quality. So we get some cardstock, a nice generous, usually it's at least 8 sheets from my experience. So we have classic card in chili red, and I got 2 sheets of that. I think you're only meant to get the one. But I got 2, so a little bit of a bonus for me. Because I say that because the next one I see on the list of contents is smooth black card, and they explicitly say ×2. So that's really nice. I love the Tonic cardstock because they are solid core. They're nice and thick. If I had to guess, I would put it at maybe 80 to 90 pound. Doesn't feel like it's quite 100, but it's definitely not 60. So somewhere in between that. Then we're also getting mirror card in frosted silver. Gorgeous, kind of like a matte silver mirror card. Mirror card in ruby red. Now this is their high gloss. You can see the reflection there. Then we have glitter card. Ooh, that's so pretty. In ruby Ritz. So that's a glitter card in ruby Ritz. And glitter card in black sapphire. Wonderful. And then finally a pearlescent card in Luna silver. So really, really awesome. Now, there's also supposed to be, let's see if I just missed it. It's listed here. There should be 2 sheets of vellum. Here we go. So 2 sheets of vellum as well. So lots of cards in the black, red, silver theme. Beautiful. Very, very cool. Of course, for Doctor Who, I'm gonna need blue, so I'm gonna be going into my stash too to get that. So that's awesome. Then we also get Nouveau products with every card kit, and so or craft kit. So they listed that we would either be getting Merry and Bright or Principal inks. So I think this is this is Merry and Bright. And the 3 colors of hybrid ink cubes are Sliced Strawberry, Moroccan Teal, and Marble Statue. I don't think I have these colors, so happy about that. Teal's my favorite color too. Then we get a crystal drop in silver lining. I think I have this. If I do, that's why I didn't take it out of the plastic, because I think I have silver lining, and if I do, I'll just set this aside for a future giveaway. And same with this. I like glacier paste a lot. And I think I might have this one already. So this is Winter White. The name sounds familiar and it looks familiar. I think I've gotten it in the past, kind of a winter themed craft kit. So it just looks really familiar. Love glacier paste. It's got a lot of sparkle and shine to it. So again, if that's a repeat for me, I'll just set it aside for a future giveaway. And then, not always, but this time we are also getting a tool. So we have a blending tool with some extra sponges, blending sponges as well. So you've got your dauber, which already has one sponge, and then 4 additional replacement pads to go along with it. So really fabulous. Love when we get tools, because that's and I feel like you can never have too many of the daubers. So there's that, and then of course the part that I love the most, the stamps and dies. And really the dies are where it's at for me, because if I had to just choose, I'm a little bit more of a die cutter than a stamper. So okay, so I'll show the die set. It does look like it comes with some instructions on how to assemble your telephone box. But just looking at these pieces, there's just a lot of basic pieces, basic shape dies too. So I'm seeing a couple of squares, I'm seeing rectangles, circles. This donut here, pay attention, keep that one. Make sure you don't lose that, because any of those dancing cards, swinging cards, this is the die you want to, you can make your own, you can make anything swinging back and forth with this donut die. All you do is you cut this out, you would put your, like a bit of, foam, adhesive, like a foam dot would be great, because it's already circular. And then you hang this donut on that foam dot so that it can rotate freely. And then you would just, place something on top of that to cap it off, so that this donut ring doesn't fall off of that dot, but it can still, whatever you attach to this can still swing back and forth. So that's how you would create. I have videos where I've made that swinging mechanism just from dies that I have in my stash. So that right there is super helpful, just as a basic. Then we've got here, this looks like it could be a really great sentiment banner. And then we even do have some verso dies that cut. So it looks like there's 3 verso dies that cut a sentiment in 2. So we have happy birthday. This one's a little harder to read, so I'm not exactly sure what this one says. And then we have this die here, which is just a debossing sentiment plate. So it pushes those letters into your cardstock. It doesn't cut them out. Then it looks like there's a couple of dies that look like they are hinge pieces. So there's a score line down the center. I'm guessing that's where maybe the door of the telephone box swings open, or the lid on top, maybe that swings open as well. These hinge pieces are generally for that. This looks like the base of the box. It's got the tabs and the score lines for that. And I think this looks like the top of your box. So lots of cool pieces here. This looks like a little latch piece. So very, very cool. And then of course you do have the base, the main piece of the sides of your telephone box, and the pattern that you can cut into it. So that's really cool. And this could be like, you could buy one of those battery operated tea lights and put it inside, especially if you're using vellum like they've given us, and then just have it a little tea light on the inside, or a votive, like a battery operated votive. And that could be like a really fun home decor piece. But here's that latch, and maybe you have like a bit of Velcro there, or a magnet would be great too. And here's another little, so you could create, like, it could be the telephone box, but you could probably reimagine this as a lantern also. So, because that's what that's sort of reminding me of, is just like a really pretty lantern. So I think there's lots of ways to use this, but of course, probably one of the first things I'll do is make a make a Doctor Who telephone box. So really, really awesome. That is the Tonic Studios terrific telephone craft kit number 64. And if, and when, I should say, not if, when I craft with this box, I'll be sure to link to that project video in my Tonic Studios playlist. And so that's where you'll find all of my Tonic Studios unboxings and project videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.